Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to create and verify your crypto.com account. So you'll have to create a new account right here and then of course your Gmail. So let's create this new account basically, and then it's gonna let you slide the slider, and then it's gonna verify your email basically. So you'll have to open your mail and check the code out. So once you have done that, it'll redirect you to the browser to log in basically, and it'll redirect you again to crypto.com so that it will actually log you in. So here I'm gonna log in for a while, so I'm gonna blur it out for a while now. So let's just wait for the login to happen basically. So let's just see right here. So we found it. Okay, let's open it up. Log in now. It's gonna redirect it to the browser and let it allow it to open crypto.com. Then it's gonna send you a SMS basically by entering your number. So once you have done that, you will have to be prompted to open using a passcode. So you will have to use a passcode to enter. So once you have done that, now you're in crypto.com and now you want to actually try to get verified. So the most basic thing is right here, the level up. So level up right here. Oh, that's the wrong one. So I'll just go ahead and purchase a crypto basically so that we can get into the actual verification process. So when you try to add the payment method and using USD wallet, it's gonna ask you to ask a additional information that's required. So such as right here, your address and many much more. You have to submit that, and then acceptable documents that are gonna be listed right here using utility bills and many much more. So you'll be verified in no time after you have submitted this requirements. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.